Have you ever wondered what it would be like to appear in the dreams of others? This is the intriguing premise of the movie Dream Scenario. A cinematic exploration of fame, identity, and the subconscious, the film follows the journey of Paul Matthews, a mild-mannered professor who suddenly becomes a global celebrity after appearing in people's dreams. At first, Paul revels in his newly acquired fame. The attention, the recognition, it all seems like a dream come true. But as the movie unfolds, it becomes clear that fame is a double-edged sword. It's fleeting, it's fickle, and it often comes at a hefty price. In Paul's case, his privacy and personal relationships begin to crumble under the weight of his newfound status. But that's only one layer of this intricate narrative. As Paul's dream persona grows more prominent, he grapples with an identity crisis. His real life and the distorted image crafted by the public start to blur into each other. The movie poses a thought-provoking question. How do you hold on to your true self when the world is obsessed with a version of you that only exists in their dreams? Dream Scenario also delves into the dark side of obsession. It reveals the dangers lurking in the shadows of fame, as fans and critics alike latch onto Paul, adoring and vilifying him for things he can't control. The film even touches upon the swift and merciless nature of cancel culture, further highlighting the volatility of public opinion. Yet perhaps the most captivating theme of the movie is the power of the subconscious. Dreams aren't just a backdrop in this film, they're a character in their own right. They remind us of the untapped potential of the subconscious mind and how it can seep into our waking reality in the most unexpected ways. But Dream Scenario isn't just about fame, identity, and dreams. Some viewers interpret the film as a metaphor for the creative process, where the dream world symbolizes the act of creation, and the public's fascination with Paul mirrors the wild interpretations audiences often make of an artist's work. Others see it as a warning about the intrusive potential of technology, especially with the movie's ending hinting at the possibility of dream-inducing technology. It's a chilling reminder of the eroding boundaries of privacy in this digital age. In essence, Dream Scenario is an intricately woven tapestry of themes and interpretations. It's a cinematic journey that takes you through the labyrinth of fame, the maze of identity, and the dreamscapes of the subconscious. It challenges you to question, to reflect, and to look beyond the surface. And in doing so, it reminds us that reality, much like dreams, is often more complex than it seems.